Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to download and use free ink transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. First, head over to www.vecteezy.com and download the free ink transition. The link is in the description below. Once downloaded, import the ink transition clip into Adobe Premiere Pro by dragging it into the project panel. Place the ink transition clip above between your two video clips on the timeline. We need to copy the ink transition clip to have two of them, one ending the clip and one starting the next. Select the ink transition clip, go to Effect Controls, and change the blend mode to multiply for the best effect. Play the timeline to preview your ink transition. Trim and position the ink transition to match the timing of your video. Then, using Alt, multiply the clip. Right-click it and from Speed Duration, click Reverse Speed. In addition, from Speed Duration, you can make the transition go faster or slower by changing the speed from 100% to 200% for both clips. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to use free ink transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.